Squirrel! Yeah, sorry YouTube, I've not been talking up lately. I'm just tired doing everything. Those cans are probably going to collect a lot of rainwater and dust and shit. Since nobody's ever going to clean them, I will. If Kimmy doesn't get out of jail soon, I'd be basically claiming them as mine. And so with those two damn lawnmowers. Yep. Get this whole yard's cleaned up, so thank you in the last video, so peace.